So Keith is going to work a set of 20. So he's going to rotate 1, 1, 2, and 2. And he's going to work his way up to 20 reps. Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hey everybody, Sifu Keith here, and today's video is on our Yun Girk. It's our sweeping. It's in all of the Wing Chun forms, but before we go there, I need you to go over to the boxes, click like and subscribe, and click the bell to be kept up with our latest videos. Once again, thank you for your continued support, and have a great day.
So our next exercise is known as Huen Gerk, Yun circle, Girk leg. So Keith, open up the cylinder down for him. So when you do these circle legs, pause there for a second, those are sweeps. So in Wing Chun, we'll sweep forward, we'll sweep back, and we'll also sweep from inside to outside. So remember they're sweeps, so you want to drag your foot along the ground. So Keith is going to work a set of 20. So he's going to rotate 1, 1, 2, and 2. And he's going to work his way up to 20 reps. In this exercise, you want to do a set of 20 and work your way. Your completion here is 6 sets of 20. Okay, so it's a Yun Girk, circle leg, 6 sets of 20. Good.
And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered.
And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.